Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Sundara Nails, and we're going to be using two colors from the Summer Fun collection, Popsicle and Picnic Time, to make a really fun Christmas in July mani. To start off this mani today, we are going to be using Mary for some accent nails, which you probably saw a sneak peek of this mani, and we're going to be applying some really fun decals to this nail to really tie in this Christmas in July mani. We are using dip liquids today. These are the new regular dip liquids from Sundara Nails, and they are amazing. Now check out that first dip of Mary. It is pure white. It is not patchy, not chalky, not streaky. It's amazing, and I'm only doing one layer of this beautiful white for the background of the water decal that we're going to place. So I applied a little bit in that cupcake liner because that jar of the 1 ounce of Mary is cram-packed full. So I just dumped a little bit in the cupcake liner. Now check out this beautiful color here. It is stunning. This is Picnic Time, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous green shimmer glitter here, which is an amazing color. Check out that sparkle. It is amazing, and this sparkle takes a whole nother light when it hits the sunlight. It's gorgeous. So these dip liquids, by the way, are fantastic. I used them in a video a few days ago, and then I also used them again recently, and I can already tell you that I love these dip liquids for two reasons. First of all, I can barely smell the base coat. I thought I grabbed the wrong one, and I thought I was using the gentle dip base. So that's another reason why I love these liquids, because I barely can smell anything, if anything at all. I really had to put my nose to the bottle to see if it had a scent. I do not recommend that you do that, but that's what I did to make sure that I was grabbing the right one. But they're very low odor, which is fantastic. So if you love regular dip liquids and you want a low odor, this is going to be your dip liquid. I'm telling you, it is awesome. It is a quicker dry time, which I like, but when I mean quicker, I can still go ahead and dip the nail into the jar here. I can gently press down those glitters. I can clean up the sidewalls and cuticle area if needed, and I'm not having any issues with like rushing or anything like that. I can still take my time, and then I just go ahead and brush it off. So it's a great dry time for me personally. I really like it so much. So we're gonna go ahead and do another dip of Popsicle here, and check it out. Isn't that amazing? It's so pretty. It almost has like a slight green glitter to it when the light hits it, which really ties in the Picnic Time and Popsicle together. And then wait till you see these decals we're using. They're going to be mind-blowing. Okay, so let's wrap up this dipping process, and then I'm going to pop back in when we start to apply the water decal.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket.
All right, so here's the finished mani before we go ahead and add that accent water decal. So before we go ahead and place the decals on the nail, we're going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base. I'm going to do a thin layer of that gel base and cure it for 30 seconds. Now this gel base is HEMA 21 free from Sundara Nails. So how fun is this water decal sheet? It is screaming Christmas. It has everything on here. It has Home Alone. It has the ugly sweater. It has that Christmas latte from Starbucks. It has the bunny pajamas. pajamas from the Christmas Story. I just love this so much. It also has a little bit of the Grinch on there. So I went ahead and placed that water decal in room temperature water, and then for about 20 seconds, and then I put it on a lint-free wipe, and then I just gently slid the back of that water decal off, and I used the jelly stamper here just to help me get that decal on the nail here. Now, the best part about the Sundara Nails gel base that we did cure for 30 seconds is you can see here I am gently moving around this decal here just to get it to where I want it, and it gives me enough wiggle room to do that. Now, if you've ever worked with water decals before, you know that they are very fragile and gentle, and if you are using a gel base that has a really sticky base, you are not going to be able to move that decal around. You will actually rip that decal. So now I'm using the flat brush from Sundara Nails, which by the way is amazing. You can use it for pudding gels, you can use it for your builder gel, you can also use it for this method right here. There's so many things you can use this brush for, and it feels so nice in the hand. It is the perfect brush density, but I have a little bit of acetone on this brush, and I am just gently pressing that brush down around the free edges in the cuticle line area, and I'm removing any extra of that decal that is hanging off and just forming that decal to the nail there. Now, if you have any extra bulk like you saw there on that tip of the nail, I was just able to gently remove that once I went ahead with that acetone. But again, you're working with acetone, so just be very careful when you are touching this decal. And then if you have any lines or wrinkles on the top, you can also use that brush with that small amount of acetone to flatten those lines down. And then to seal in this decal, just go in with a layer of gel base. And I went ahead and did the decal on that other nail and applied that gel base and cured it for 30 seconds. But how fun is this mani with these decals? It just totally tied in this Christmas mani here. Now I'm going to go ahead and place a layer of that gel base on those sparkly nails here, and then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. But this is when you're really going to see these glitters transform and come to life. And these glitters were just so easy to work with, and they're just so fun. They're perfect for all year long. And again, when these glitters hit the light, it is a game changer. So I cured the base for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go in with a gel top coat. This gel top coat is also HEMA 21 free, and I love this gel top coat. I use it for a lot of my manis, and it is fantastic. And if you haven't tried the gel base or top coat from Sundara Nails, you need it in your life. So now we're going to go ahead and cure that top coat for 60 seconds, and here's the finished mani. I think it is so much fun. It is screaming Christmas in July. I really love the bright colors here, and picnic time, that perfect green here. It is like the perfect summer green, and I love all this sparkle, and Popsicle is so pretty, and it just ties in together perfectly with these water decals. Now these water decals are so fun. They are just cram-packed full of that Christmas punch, and I really hope you enjoy this mani. And guess what? Since we used Mary, which was that white, it also glows in the dark, so you kind of have a twist with this mani that it's going to glow in the dark on those accent nails as well. But I'm going to go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, including everything you need to know about these decals. I will let you know that these decals are only available for July, so if these are something that you wanted, head over to that decal shop and purchase those. And these glitters from Sundara Nails, you need them in your life. So do not sleep on these fun glitters, because once they are gone, they are gone. So again, everything is linked below, and I hope you enjoyed this mani, and I will see you all in the next upload.